guys, today I wanted to show you this Iwalk portable charger. So it's 2.3 feet, the cable, and it has two USB-Cs. So the first one is the one that it comes with to charge your devices. And then on the bottom there is a in and out, meaning you can charge this with other cables, but it can also come out from this. And then it also comes with a USB-A. It's a fast charging. It has 65 watts, and the best part that makes it so special is it has a built-in retractable cable. So the first time you take it out, it stays, and then you pull a little further and it goes right back in. So there's also a digital display showing the power level right here. Once you plug something in, it'll say your percentage right here. There's 20,000 milliampere hours, and it's also strong enough for laptops, phones, tablets, whatever it is, super fast charging. And I have it in white. There are multiple different colors. So if you're looking for a super nice, fast charging portable charger, then I would definitely give this a shot.